Okay, hi everyone. I'm going to teach you how to use the depth gauge on the Swoffer flow meter and how to set it at 40% or depth, or 60% from the surface or 40% from the bottom of your channel. And so the first thing you want to do with the Swoffer flow meter is measure the depth of your channel. So let's say my channel is at 1/2 meter depth, this blue mark right here. You raise your prop so that the center of the prop of the Swoffer is lined up. Is that looking pretty good? I think so. And then at that point, you look at the top, and you'll notice that this meter has two scales. And so you're looking at the scale that has the larger intervals. And in this case, I'm going to read down, this is 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, and halfway between is 0.5. That means I'm at 50 centimeter depth. That's how deep this channel is. So my channel is 50 centimeters deep. Now what I want to determine is how to set this prop easily without doing any finicky math and measurements so that it is sitting at 40 centimeters. 20 centimeters, sorry. 20 centimeters. In other words, 20 centimeters from the bottom of the channel. To do that, so we said our measurement was at 0.5. Now you look at the other measurement scale on the right, which has much narrower intervals, and you're going to line up so that it corresponds with 50, or it was 0.5 on the right. Then you can tighten it. And if we look down here, we see that the prop is perfectly lined up at 20 centimeters from the depth of the bottom of the channel. Same thing can be done at 1 meter. If we slide this up to 1 meter as an example and say that our channel is 1 meter deep. Okay, so again, you wouldn't know how deep your channel is, but in this case we're saying, oh look, our channel is 1 meter deep, roughly. Now you would again look over here, this says 1 meter, and now line it up with the scale on the right until you drop it down to the 1 meter mark. So I'm on the right side, and it sits at 40 centimeters depth. Perfect. Thank you.